Grade 12 NEB exam 2081-2024 Business Mathematics new course subject question paper subject code 4061 time 3 hours full marks 75. Here are three groups. In group A is of 11 marks, group B is of 40 marks and group C is of 24 marks. Attempt all the questions. Group A, rewrite the correct option of each question in your answer sheet. Marks 11 into 1 equal to 11. Question number 1. If A is a square matrix, then A minus A transpose is A. Or diagonal matrix, B. Symmetric matrix, C. Skew symmetric matrix, D. Scalar matrix. Question number 2. Two matrices A and B can be multiplied to get AB if A. Both matrices are square of different order, B. Both matrices are rectangular of same order, C. Number of rows of A equal to number of column of B, D. Number of column of A equal to number of rows of B. Question number 3. If the matrix of technical coefficient is A equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, then Lintif matrix is A 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, B 0.9, 0.2, 0.3, 0.6, C 0.9 minus 0.2 minus 0.3, 0.6, D 0.1 minus 0.8 minus 0.7, 0.4. Question number 4. The function fx is increasing on a demand D if A. f dash x less than 0 for all x in D, B. f dash x equal to 0 for all x in D, C. f dash x greater than 0 for all x in D, D. f dash x does not exist for all x in D. Question number 5. Which one of the following differential equation has the solution xy equal to c? A. y dy plus x dx equal to 0. B. x dy plus y dx equal to 0. C. x dy minus y dx equal to 0. D. y dy minus x dx equal to 0. Question number 6. Which one of the following is the sum of the series 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus dot dot to infinity? A. 2 by 3. B. 1 by 2. C. 1. D. 2. Question number 7. If a computer costing Rs 1 lakh will depreciate to scrap value of Rs 81,000 in 2 years, the rate of depreciation is A. 5%, B. 10%, C. 19%, D. 23.45%. Question number 8. Which one of the following is the amount of annuity of Rs 1400 for a year at 8% PA? A. Rs 1400, B. Rs 1512, C. Rs 1521, D. Rs 2511. Question number 9. In simplex method, x plus 2y less equal 4 is written as x plus 2y plus k equal to 4. What is k known as? A. Basic variable, B. Select variable, C. Surplus variable, D. Pivot element. Question number 10. The Bollinger coefficient of skewness is based on A. Median, standard deviation and mean, B. Quartile deviation, lower quartile, upper quartile and median, C. Quartile and standard deviation, D. Percentile and standard deviation. Question number 11. Which one of the following is the value of n in a binomial distribution for which the mean is 4 and variance is 3? A. 4, B. 12, C. 16, D. 20. Group B. Marks 8 into 5 equal to 40. Question number 12. If A equal to matrix 1, 0, 2, minus 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. A. Write the order of A transpose. B. What types does matrix form when A plus A transpose? C. What is the determinant of matrix A if A is singular? D. Write the formula for finding A inverse. E. Under which condition A inverse does not exist? Marks 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Question number 13. A. Prove that determinant of AB AX plus BY, BC BX plus CY, AX plus BY, BX plus CY 0 equal to B square minus AC into x square plus 2bxy plus cy square. B. Ramesh sells 3 shares of A and buys 2 shares of B, thus increasing his cash by Rs 300. Prakash sells 1 share of A and buys 3 shares of B, thus decreasing his cash by Rs 300. Write the equation related to above context. Marks 2. Question number 14. Find the absolute maxima and absolute minima of the function fx equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5 on the interval minus 2 to. Also find the point of inflection. Marks 4+1. Question number 15a. Write the relation between marginal revenue and total revenue. B. Define stationary point for a function. C. What is monotonic function? Write it. D. For a function fx, f double dash x greater than 0 at a point n f dash x equal to 0, identify the value of fx at that point. E. State fundamental theorem of calculus. Marks 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Question number 16. A. Find the area bounded by the curve y square equal to 4x, the x-axis and the line x equal to 4. Marks 2. B. The demand and supply function in a competitive market are given by the equation QD equal to 240 minus 3P and QS equal to 5P minus 150 respectively if the rate of change of the price adjustment proportional to the excess of the demand is given by dP upon dt equal to 0.05 into QD minus QS. Solve the obtained differential equation given that the initial price P0 equal to Rs50. Marks 3. Question number 17. Solve the following linear programming problem by simplex method to maximize P equal to 50x plus 60y subject to 3x plus 4y less equal 36, 9x plus 4y less equal 60, x, y get equal 0. Question number 18a. Write multiplicative law of probability for independent events A and B. B. Write conditional probability of event P given that event Q has already occurred. C. In a factory producing radios, there are 3 machines producing 500, 1000, 1500 radios per hour respectively. These machines produce 3%, 5%, 8% defective radios. On radios selected random from our production of the 3 machines and found to be defective. What is the probability that the radio is produced from the third machine? Marks 1 plus 1 plus 3. Question number 19. In a college, it has been found that 40% of the students withdraw without completing the mathematics course. If there were 10 students have registered for the course of this semester. A. What is the probability that none will withdraw? B. What is the probability that at least one will withdraw? C. What is probability at most one will withdraw? Marks 1 plus 2 plus 2. Group C. Marks 3 into 8 equal to 24. Question number 20a. Machinery costing Rs 4,50,000 has an estimated life of 15 years. If its cost is reduced by Rs 3 lakh in 15 years, find the rate of depreciation. Marks 3. B. Manoj borrows Rs 4,368 which he promises to pay in 6 annual installments, each installment being treble of the preceding one. Find amount of the first installment. Marks 2. C. The compound interest on a certain sum at a certain rate is Rs 204 in 2 years and the simple interest at the same rate is Rs 300 in 3 years. Find the sum and rate of interest. Marks 3. Question number 21. The following table shows the relation between the price X and demand Y of the items. Read carefully and answer. A. Calculate the correlation coefficient by Karl-Pearson method. B. The mean and variance of a binomial distribution are 7.5 and 1.875 respectively. Find P2 and P0. Marks 4 plus 4. Question number 22. In perfect competition, demand and supply function of commodity are given by PD equal to 40 minus x square and PS equal to 3x square plus 8x plus 8. Discuss the nature of consumer surplus and producer surplus at the market equilibrium price. B. Write a homogeneous differential equation of first order and first degree. Also solve it. C. Price of elasticity is related to demand and total revenue. Justify it. Marks 4 plus 2 plus 2. क्लास 12 का जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्र चाहिएमा विल एन्ड टुगेदर 1M को प्लेलिस्ट +2 और क्लास 11 एन्ड 12 मेटेरियल्स एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खन्नुहोला र ती प्रश्नहरूको सहायताले प्रिपरेसन राम्रो गरी इक्जाम राम्रो गर्नुहोला। विल एन्ड टुगेदर 1M भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक कमेन्ट सब्स्क्राइब र सेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला र तपाईको कुनै जिज्ञासा भएमा कमेन्टमा लेख्दै जानुहोला। सम्भव भएसम्म त्यसलाई फुलफिल गर्ने काम म गर्दै जानेछु। धन्यवाद।